Alright, here's this new Hoover I just got. And by the way, I'm out of total quarantine. Now I'm just playing it safe for the next week or two until I go back to work on March 1st. But anyway, so here's this Citation Model 64 that I got from Kyle Critchbaum. It's in beautiful condition. He really did a great job on it. It looks amazing. It's this was the last Hoover before the convertible Model 65 made its debut in the late 50s. So this was the last pre-convertible machine. It's very, very nice though. And it's one of the harder to find ones, I know that. But yeah, and it's got high and low on, or high and norm on there, which is, it's different. But yeah, so, and I'm planning on getting all the lookalikes. I am getting a 63 at some point, and then I would really like to find the 62, 29, and 634. So, but yeah, so here's the 64 Citation. So there it is, my beautiful Hoover Model 64 Citation. Thanks for watching, and I'll have more up soon. Stay tuned for the Phantom.